Hey everyone, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a car that truly broke the mold for Toyota. It's a vehicle that looks like it drove straight out of a designer's sketchbook and onto our streets. I'm talking about the Toyota CHR. When this compact crossover first hit the scene, it was a real head-turner, and even today, its design remains one of the most distinctive and futuristic in its class. Let's break down what makes the CHR's styling so special. First off, let's talk about that name. CHR stands for Coupe Hybride. That name perfectly captures its essence. Toyota wanted to blend the sleek, sporty lines of a coupe with the elevated, commanding driving position of an SUV. And honestly, they nailed it. Look at the side profile. You see that dramatically sloping roofline? It flows seamlessly into a sharply angled rear window and an integrated spoiler, giving it that classic coupe silhouette. But at the same time, it sits high off the ground with those bold wheel arches, giving you that confident SUV stance. One of the cleverest design tricks on the CHR is the rear door handles. Notice how they're hidden up high, integrated into the black C-pillar trim. This is a genius move, too. From a distance, it makes the CHR look like a two-door sports coupe, enhancing its dynamic and athletic appeal. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge impact on the overall look, keeping the body lines clean and uninterrupted. Now let's move to the front. The CHR's face is just as aggressive and modern. The slim, upswept LED headlights flow directly into the upper grille, creating a keen look, as Toyota calls it. It's sharp, focused, and almost bird-like. Below that, the large trapezoidal lower grille dominates the front bumper, giving it a very planted and powerful presence. There are so many angles, creases, and intersecting lines. Here it's a very complex but cohesive design that just screams future. The body surfacing is another area where the CHR stands out. Toyota used a theme they call diamond architecture. You can see it in the sharp character lines that run along the sides, catching the light in fascinating ways. These lines carve into the body, creating concave and convex surfaces that give the car a sense of movement, even when it's standing still. It looks like a sculpted piece of art, not just a stamped piece of metal. This is especially noticeable around the flared wheel arches, which bulge out to emphasize its muscularity and wide track. Moving to the back, the drama continues. The boomerang-shaped LED taillights are probably one of the most recognizable features. They protrude from the body, almost like they're floating, and add to the car's three-dimensional feel. Combined with the steep rake of the rear window and that double-layered spoiler, the rear end is just as radical as the front. It's a design that's impossible to mistake for anything else on the road. Of course, design is subjective. The CHR's bold, almost polarizing styling isn't for everyone. Some might find it a bit too busy. But you have to admire Toyota for taking such a big risk, especially for a brand often associated with more conservative designs. The CHR was a statement piece, a declaration that Toyota could be cool, edgy, and daring. It was designed to appeal to a younger, more style-conscious buyer who wanted to stand out from the crowd. In a sea of lookalike crossovers, the Toyota CHR carved its own path with a design that is unapologetically modern and expressive. It successfully merged the worlds of coupes and SUVs to create something truly unique. It's a testament to how creative and bold automotive design can be. What do you guys think of the CHR's design? Is it a modern masterpiece or a bit too much? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching CodeMechanic, and if you enjoyed this design breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.